Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. So if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So while traveling, this is a very good option of just carrying this small pencil to complete 80% of your face. My entire face is mainly done with this. 80% of my face is done with this, and this pencil is such a beautiful pencil. Oh, this retails for like below 100. It's like 75 to 80 rupees, and oh my god, you get so many. There is multiple shades also in it. So without any further ado, let's get started. I have already done my base. I have finished doing my entire base. I have Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 03 medium brown. This is my shade over here. This is such a good eyebrow pencil, and that too it is a gem because it is under 100 rupees. It is like 79 or 80 rupees, and what a beautiful product. And you just need like one swipe and your eyebrows are done. So I'm going to take this medium brown. So the first thing that we're going to do with an eyebrow pencil is do our eyebrows. So how I like to do my eyebrows is I like to keep my eyebrows very natural. I don't like to like overdraw them or anything of that sort, and I use a medium brown pencil because saying goes that way hair color and your eyebrows are supposed to match, and then they look really gorgeous. So I'm going to do that. I'm quickly going to show you how I'm going to do. So basically what I do, I'm going to go in light strokes upwards, and then I can see this, you can see this bald patch that I have over here. I'm just going to draw over it. Like my fingers are so light, and I'm just going to like, I'm just going to like draw very naturally. I'm just filling in the sparse places where there is no hair growth and I'm bald over there in my eyebrows. Always invest in an eyebrow pencil that comes with a spoolie. Spoolie is nothing but this kind of brush. What this brush does is once you apply the product, it helps to buff out the eyebrows, and it looks gorgeous to make it look seamless. So that's what I'm going to do, like just upward stroke and then push it right. Upward strokes and then push it right. Okay, so that's it. Like, how easy was this? Can you see the difference between the brows? You gotta just draw it naturally. If you're a person who likes boxy brows, and if you're a person who likes this huge brows, please go ahead. This is my technique, and this is how I like my eyebrows, and I can see like the visible difference. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my other eyebrow, and be right. My eyebrows are done. The next use of it is like an eyeliner. So you're gonna just draw a wing, just a very light wing. So can you see, it's a very light wing. It's not heavy at all, and it looks very nice. It looks like a buffed out brown wing. So you can just wear it to any office or anything. Like, there should be something on the lids, so you can use this. It looks very beautiful. So the third use of this is we can use this like an eyeshadow. So what you're gonna do, this wing is already there. I'm gonna like show you on top of this how you can apply it like an eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna roughly just draw strokes. Okay, and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend. So this gives you a very nude eye makeup look, and I'm going to do my lower lash line with this. The next use of this is you can use it like kajal. So that's what I'm going to do. So this acts like a very nude kajal. So the next way we can use this is by contouring. I'm going to take this pencil and draw, connecting my eyebrow to my nose. I'm just going to draw a line. So after we are done drawing the line, I'm going to just make this one line here, and I'm going to quickly blend it in with my fingers. How beautifully that contoured my nose, and then we can do like a contouring here too. This is a contour cum bronzer, so you can use it like right under your cheekbone. This is your cheekbone. you gotta contour here. So I'm just gonna blend it quickly in. And we gotta blend it downwards, not upwards. So snitched my face looks using a eyebrow pencil, imagine. And the next thing that we can use this is as a lip liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like rub this off because we used it on our face like this much. I've rubbed it off and then I'm gonna use it. This acts like your lip liner also. Quickly go off camera and do this eye over here. Next use of this is a lipstick. If supposing you forgot your lipstick and you just have your eyebrow pencil, you can fill it in and go. So I have sharpened it and I have rubbed it behind my hand to get off the excess if foundation is stuck or any dirt is stuck. Save a fresh layer and then I'm gonna fill in. You can see how beautifully it lined my lips and how beautifully it has given that jawline. You see that? It's gorgeous. I love it. It looks like one goth look, but I really like it. It's a beautiful brown lipstick, completely matte, like no smudges. I'm so happy. Last trick that I have to show you guys is you can use this like a blush. Few times I like a nude blush and a little brownish tint to my cheeks. So I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. Can you see how beautifully it gave that nude kind of look, and I really like it. And in spite of us blending out so much with this eyebrow pencil, my foundation hasn't budged or moved, which is a good thing. And this is all, guys. Can you see how beautiful this looks? I'm going to quickly complete off my entire face and be right back. So this is my completed look, guys. See how beautiful it looks. It's a very travel friendly option also. You can just carry one product and be done with it. Highly recommend Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. This is really good, and I always have a backup of this eyebrow pencil in specific because beautiful eyebrow pencil this is. So this is the backup option that I bought from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. You saw the good thing about this eyebrow pencil. You can complete 80% of your face using just an eyebrow pencil, and this is an unused product. 1.4 grams of product, like such a huge pencil, and it's not gonna get over for you if you want to go somewhere. And at office also you can carry this and touch up wherever you want to go, do whatever you want with just one pencil, and such a good option. Hope you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hope you like this video. If you did like this video, please thumbs up and comment and share my videos. See you all in the next video. I love you all. Bye.